Today I'll be guiding you on how to set up Python on VS Code. Firstly, we can go on this extension bar on the left. We can type Python. The Python extension will be available at the top. It is owned by Microsoft. You can verify. Now click on Install. The extension has started installing. The extension has now been installed. We can now head on to create our first program. We can create a new folder. I'll be creating a new folder. You can name it anything. Now we can select the folder and open it. Yes, I trust the authors. You need to click that option. Now we can add a new file. You need to click on here to add the new file. We can name it demo.py. Now we can write our first Python code. We can now move to here and select Run Python file in dedicated terminal. Now, as we can see, our prompt has been printed in the Python terminal. Thank you for watching.